Welcome to Staycationers. If you're getting ready for your first international trip, I've got you covered. Today, we're walking you through the key steps to make your journey smooth and stress-free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Passport and flight itinerary. First up, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months before your travel dates. Also, double-check your flight details and the airport terminal you'll be flying from. Step 2. Arrive early at the airport. Arrive 4 to 5 hours before departure. Trust me, it's worth it to avoid last-minute stress. Have your ID and printed itinerary ready for security. You can show the confirmation on your phone, but a printed version is even better. Step 3. Pay your travel tax. Next, check if your ticket includes travel tax. If not, you'll need to pay it. Around 1,620 pesos for adults and 810 pesos for kids aged 2 to 11. Step 4. Check-in and bag drop. At the check-in counter, submit your passport and don't forget to weigh your luggage. Also, make sure your e-travel form was submitted at least 72 hours before your flight. It's needed before heading to immigration. Step 5. Immigration. At immigration, have your passport, boarding pass, and itinerary ready. Afterward, you'll go through a security check where you'll need to place your items on a tray for the X-ray scan. Step 6. Find your boarding gate. Once through security, head to your boarding gate. You'll find the gate number on your boarding pass. Step 7. Wait for boarding. Keep an ear out for announcements. Sometimes the boarding gate changes close to departure time. Stay alert and enjoy a quick snack or browse around while you wait. Step 8. Boarding time. And finally, it's time to board. Get ready to enjoy your adventure. That's it! Hope these tips help you make your first international trip a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone!